Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to save a Facebook My Day photo or a video, as you can see here. And let's say you want to save this, the highest quality of this. So what you can do is just right click, open a new tab, and you can see you now have the highest quality image, the original size that was posted. See here, as you can see, then you can just save this or this. And as for the video, let's see, we have a video here, and if you hover over here, you can just click on this. It's downloading. As you can see, it's now downloaded. Let's click on it, as you can see. And I have a full video explaining how to install this, one at the top. On my other videos, I'll link it on the description, and so please check it out. So that's all. Thank you.